ColourPop sent me a box. Wonder what's inside. Like, what could it be? I have no idea. I do know what's inside. In case you haven't guessed. It's the New Moon, Twilight New Moon collection. I am fully aware that this collection has been out for a while. They were going to send it to me when they did their big restock, but the package got lost in the mail somewhere, and so they sent another one out, and now I have it. So I did see that they do have the collection still available at Ulta. On the ColourPop website, though, some of the pieces have sold out. So if you are interested in it and you were thinking about getting it, you may want to try and grab it while you still can, because they are probably going to sell out of that one as well. I never got the other Twilight palette. I did get a few pieces from that collection, though. I got like the oil stuff and the lip oils, and then one other thing I got, but I didn't buy the palette yet, but I am kind of interested in getting it. So I might still grab that at some point. Now, I was never a big super fan, so don't get mad at me. Don't come for me. I'm not a big Twilight super fan. I'm sorry, but I do like Halloween. I like the vibes. I did watch the movies, so here we go. Obviously, the main feature is the palette. Just so you know who you're talking to, my name is Amber Wood. I am 48 years old, so you're not too old to wear fun makeup, okay? Look at that, it is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that purple right there. That's totally my vibe right there. Ooh, 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 ooh. I've been in this hunt for a while, and that's one of the reasons I wanted to really see this one. I've been on the hunt for a good yellow shimmer, like the perfect yellow shimmer, and that might be it. Let's take a look at this collection, shall we? Lots of fun stuff. We've got two, I think these are lip combos. Jacob, are you team Jacob or team, what's his face? I just went blank. What's his name? Edward. Crikey. Edward is his name. See, I'm not a super fan. I'm sorry. Don't get mad at me. Yeah, so there's a lipstick and lip pencil duo. We got two of those. And then there's a bunch of these little guys. There's three of them. I think this is another lip situation. Oh, no, no, no. They're not lips. These are shadow sticks. Ooh, fun. Then I'm assuming that these are Super Shock Shadow. Yes. They are. Super Shock Shadow. Two of those. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now this has to be a lip. Ultra glossy lip. Ooh. And then an oil to match the other one. I'm assuming that it's going to be a golden, because the other one was kind of like vampire-y. So now we're going for Wolfie. Ruff, ruff. A lot of times they have some of this stuff on TikTok shop, so I will definitely, hello, gold. I will definitely link what I can if they have anything available on here. Or like I said, you can just go to their website, or Ulta has them as well. In case you were wondering, this is a glow oil. So it's just like a body oil. You can put it, a lot of times I like to put it like on my chest. You could use it as like highlighter. You could mix it in with, you know, your foundation if you wanted, or some body lotion and just put it on your arm, or just use it straight from the bottle. Sometimes I like to put it like on my, you know, like on your high points, like a highlighter, not just on your face though, like clavicle situation is always pretty, you know, fun stuff like that. That'll be fun for like summer vibes, you know? Okay, the Super Shock Shadows. Ooh, these are pretty. Look at this packaging. Love. I love ColourPop always does a good theme. And if y'all know me at all, you know I love a good theme. Look at those. Wow. Look at that red. That's totally like both vampire, which I wore my earrings, by the way. I didn't have any wolf earrings, but I had wolf ears. I don't want to touch it. I'm scared to touch it. I am going to do a look. Make sure to follow along. I feel like I want to do something creative, something fun, something interesting. I don't know if this was intentional or not, and if it was, I love it. The attention to detail just on the box probably wasn't intentional, but it kind of looks like vampire teeth, or even werewolf teeth. Does it? Am I crazy? I think it's cute. Whether it was intentional or not, I'm going to go with it. Ooh, look at the glossy lip. Look at it's like swirly in there, but it's gorge. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Definitely interested in the shadow stick. If you need quick makeup on the go. Oh. Ooh, look at those shades. Wow. Those shades are gorge. Those are called multi-chrome shadow sticks. Then this is one of the lip combos. We've got a pencil and a lipstick. Ooh, look at that. Really pretty. It's called Vampire Royalty. And then the other one's just called Jake. Oh my gosh. And the pencil's called Hello Biceps. What was the other one? Oh, the pencil on this one was Vampire Laws, and Vampire Royalty is the lipstick. So Jake. Just Jake. And then the biceps. Okay, more of kind of a orangey brown. Okay, yeah, because he's a wolf, right? Brown. Got it. Noted. Kudos on the packaging. They always do such a good job. One of these shadow sticks has a motorcycle. The other one's got like, looks like their family crest or something. And then this one's got a little wolf on it. Just love the details. And if you're a huge fan of the series, then you would definitely appreciate all that. On the glossy lip, it says, "It's just a little blood, Bella." It's just a little blood. I mean, all the stuff has different little quotes on there. I swear I will never fail you again. You're sorta beautiful. Who says that? Sorta? Bella, where the hell have you been? Loca? I don't remember that quote. See? See, here's the other one. You can see I've used a bit of it, but it is very kind of watery. So, I don't know. I might suggest if they do this again, maybe like a squirter kind instead of just a pump. But I don't think they care what I think. But anywhoosies, you can see this one's very loosey-goosey. So, just so you can see the consistency. Anyway, I want to do a look. So, let's see what we can do with this. Thank you so much to ColourPop. I am stoked and just mad with fury to try out all these products. Make sure to try out the New Moon collection by ColourPop Twilight. My name's Amber Wood, over 40 Makeup Mom. Bye. Ow. Ooh.